Observing the epitome of elegance in life. Like a radiant crystal forest, dazzling and resplendent. Customized by our senior interior designers. Modern works that blend nature and are full of artistic sense. Transparent crystal details, multi-sided cutting process. Flush mount crystal chandelier. 3-color adjustable lighting. The lights lit up, as if entering a dreamlike world. Light and shadow are like brilliant stars in the galaxy, bringing endless warmth and romance. The crystals are stacked layer by layer, reflecting dazzling light from each other. Suitable for various usage scenarios. More recommendations.